Hi guys, I'm here to talk to you today about something that can sometimes be a little uncomfortable, a little embarrassing, but it's something I get asked about often, and that's incontinence care. It's a really important part of caring for your loved one that's living with dementia. But I want to offer up a few tips to hopefully help kind of demystify, to make you more comfortable with this part of dementia care. First, I suggest that you encourage regular restroom breaks. You could even set a timer on your cell phone just to make sure that you and your loved one are reminded to use the facilities. Also, think about clothing. Make sure it's easy to get on and off. Some elastic waistbands can be helpful. And also, if you notice your loved one pacing around, kind of in search of something, it might be that they need to use the restroom. So if you can gently guide them there, it might encourage them to use the facilities. Also, at nighttime, you want to limit liquids, probably after about 5 p.m. That way you avoid some incontinence overnight. I've also seen families get creative in making sure their loved one can find the restroom at night. They put motion-censored night lights along the way. I've also seen families take some rope lighting and a staple gun and staple their way, a pathway from the bedroom to the bathroom. And then also, if your loved one does have an accident, again, it can be a little embarrassing for the person and yourself, but try not to make a big deal about it. Try not to embarrass them. Find a creative way to get them to change their outfit. And finally, you'll want to consider adult briefs and other incontinence products. You can pick them up online or at your local grocery store or pharmacy. I hope that you find these tips helpful. Again, this can be challenging, but you might want to journal what's working and not working so that you can share them with others that are providing care to your loved one, and also share them with us. You can comment below with your tips. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video.